Namaste, this is Sapna Pradarshi, your wellness coach, guide and friend. Hasn't our life taken 180-degree turn during this COVID-19? Didn't we always ask our children to spend less time on laptops, mobiles and other gadgets? Didn't we want them to read physical books and spend more time on outdoor activities? Nowadays, all these schools, coachings, tuitions, even entertainment have shifted completely to the screen and gadgets because there is no other option left out due to this COVID-19. But have you measured how many hours your children are spending on the gadgets per day? Unfortunately, the amount of time children have started spending now on TV, laptops, mobiles and other gadgets have started affecting their eyesight and even concentration level badly. Let me tell you, according to WHO, at present, 1 out of 3 people in the world are myopic or short-sighted. Which means that they cannot see the distant things clearly. By 2050, more than 50% people will be suffering from this disease. I fear that due to this COVID-19, this may happen even much earlier if we do not take proper care immediately. Let us see what experts are saying on this. Now, recently I also spoke to a couple of parents and they have shown their major concern on this issue.
Today I want to raise a concern about the eyesight of children. Nowadays they are having so much of screen time. Their education, their school classes and their entertainment, everything is going on screen. And by the time in the evening their eyes are totally red and watery. I don't know, as a mother, as a parent, I really want to find a solution to what we can do for making their eyes a little stress-free.
Today I wanted to ask you something which must be bothering all the parents out there, and me as a mother, definitely it concerns me, that why my kids are being exposed to so much of digital medium or so much of devices, so much unnecessary exposure to the rays from all the gadgets, devices and all. But definitely this is a necessary evil in these times when Corona has changed our life totally. Everything is online, whether it's work from home, whether it's school from home, so even social interaction from home. So in these times, it's something that we cannot avoid. My kids are spending 5 to 6 hours of online schooling every day. And then they have homework to do. And after that, of course, the kids are bored. They need a break. They cannot go out. They cannot go to anybody's house. There is lockdown, there is heat, there is some parts of the world, there is summer holidays. So all these factors are just adding up to them consuming more and more of online gaming, laptop, TV, movies, basically screen time, which is harming their mental health as well, harming their eyesight. What can we do to improve that or to reduce the damage?
I'm sure even all other parents also have the similar concern. So today I'm going to tell you how you can control further damage to the eyesight and improve it. Remember, parents and teachers both have to play a role in helping children. Well, I'll tell you 4 important. 1. What precautions your child should take while attending the online classes. Number 2. What eye exercises your child must practice regularly. Number 3. What should they eat to enhance their eyesight? And number 4. What are the natural ways to relax eyes and improve the eyesight naturally? So let us begin with the first part, that is online classes. Let me address The precautions parents should take during the online sessions. Remember, 1. Don't let your child attend the class on mobile or tabs, because the smaller the screen is, more is the strain for the eyes. Hence, use laptops and desktops. If laptop is not available, then please cast the class onto the TV screen through your mobiles if you have a smart TV. Then, precautions that children should take while attending the online classes. Remember, to start with, adjust the screen level to the face level. The top of the monitor should be 1 foot away from your face. You should look slightly down, lower at the screen. Otherwise, children will develop the neck problem. Adjust the screen light to the dim level, because brighter the light is, it will adversely affect the eyesight. Better to use the anti-glare screen. Further, set the font of the computer screen or the laptop screen to the large size. Choose a comfortable chair so that you sit comfortably on it and your feet are completely flat on the floor. Remember, keep drinking water regularly during the classes. Parents, you should keep some eye packs next to your children which they can use during the breaks. I will tell you which all eye packs children can use. Okay. Avoid glare from lights and the windows directly, because it will strain your eyes. The moment you feel strain or dryness in your eyes, start blinking immediately. Immediately you should start blinking, right? Rest your eyes every 20 minutes. And what you should do while resting your eyes? Number 1, close your eyes for 10 seconds, right? And number 2, look far away from your screen as far as you can see, minimum 20 feet or maybe even longer sight, and focus continuously for 20 seconds or 20 counts. Just keep focusing. Then keep taking 10-minute break in every 30 minutes if possible. And again, you should do 2 things during this break. Number 1, splash cold water into your eyes, right? 5 to 10 times. Number 2, obviously you will leave your chair, right? Leave your chair and move around a little. Do a little bit of walking, because you were continuously sitting on a chair, so it will put some stress into your feet and even calves. So just do a little bit of walking. Alright? Now, let me address a few issues to the parents. Parents, remember, if your child is already wearing spectacles, then you must check that your child's glasses prescription is up to date and good for looking into the computer screen. Check your child's eyesight at home during this time. Okay, you may not know the exact number when you do the eye testing at home, but at least you will know that whether your child is able to look into the screen properly, whether his eyesight is good, whether his glasses are fine or not, right? How you can do this eyesight checkup at home itself, you can use this link which is given at the description. Now let us come to point number 2. What eye exercises children should practice regularly? See, remember, yoga asanas improve functioning of all the organs in our body. There are series of exercises that can improve the functioning of our eyes too. Yoga exercises for the eyes will help various eye related problems, for short-sightedness and even for long-sightedness. See, glaucoma and cataract are the 2 diseases which occur due to the bacterial infections, and we cannot really cure them only through the yoga exercises, right? But most of the eye disorders are related to the malfunctioning of the eye muscles that are caused due to the chronic mental or emotional tension that occur in our body. Yoga techniques can really improve eyesight or any kind of eye disorders. Myopia, hypermetropia, which are caused due to the defects of eye muscles, can be cured with the help of yoga exercises. Now, let us listen to Mr. Kishore Masurkar, MD of Endot Pharmaceuticals, which is one of the largest eye care companies.
Namaskar. After this COVID pandemic and the lockdown has started, this lockdown has given rise to various things. It has changed various things. The main thing it has changed is the education system. The way the college and university they impart the education. Now everything is online. We have seen that all the classes, school and college classes are online. Why school, even the nursery classes are online? This has given rise to one major problem, and that is eye strain. We are one of the largest manufacturers of ophthalmic drops in India and constantly in touch with various top eye surgeons. For last 2 months, we have seen a surge in ophthalmic patients, particularly for eye strain and also many for other ailments like myopia and other. I strongly feel that now there is a need to educate our parents as well as children. Our wellness coach Sapna Priyadarshi has now come out with beautiful videos which educates the parents to avoid eye strain for their children. I have personally gone through it and I am recommending to all my friends, eye doctors, on everybody who has children at home. I strongly recommend them that you all parents should go through it and avoid any such eye problems to your children. Thank you.
So, as you heard the expert opinion, let us start with the Power Yoga for eyes. See, Power Yoga for eyes is as simple as blinking, yet very powerful. We normally forget to blink when we work for longer hours on our computer screen or laptop screen or any gadgets, which strain our eyes, because of which our eyesight get damaged. Blinking can do wonders and make our eyes healthier and stronger. The very important Power Yoga for eyes are palming, blinking, then eye focus movements, pranayama, a few asanas and acupressure points that will help you to enhance your eyesight. Regular practice of yoga and eye exercises will relax your eyes and definitely it will improve the eyesight also. But remember, before starting any of these eye exercises, you must splash a lot of cold water into your eyes, maybe about 4 to 5 times. Remember to keep the head and your spine straight throughout during the exercises when you will be practicing them. You can do these exercises in 3 different ways. Either you can do while sitting in a cross-legged position, or you can sit down and spread your legs straight in front of you, or you can even do these exercises while sitting on a chair. So let us start with the first one, which is palming. What you can do is sit quietly with your eyes closed, comfortably in any position that you feel like. Then take deep breaths to relax yourself like this. Do 4 to 5 times like this. After this, what you should do is you should rub your palms vigorously until they become very warm like this. Okay? You should feel the heat, and after them you gently place them over your eyelids like this. Close your eyes and put your palms over your eyelids like this. Let your palms be on your eyelids. Breathe normally. Feel the vibration into your eyelids. Feel the warmth transferring from your palms into your eyelids. Let your palms be there as long as you feel the warmth. Now slowly remove your palms from there. Let your eyes be closed. Open your eyes slowly. Open them slowly. Right? Then again, rub your palms and do the same process. Do this 3 to 4 times or maybe 5 times. Here I would like to suggest you one thing. When you rub your palms, do not put your fingers here, or don't even put it like this, because this portion, this portion will not touch your eyelids properly. And when we rub our palms, the most heat will be generated at this area. So it is advisable to put this portion of your palms onto your eyelids while practicing palming. Palming is a super exercise for your eyes, which will definitely relax your eyes and help you enhancing your eyesight. Now, let us move on to the next exercise, that is blinking. Very simple, guys. You will love it. Children actually love blinking. Even these small children, 1 year or 2 year age also, when we say them, please blink, they do like this. So blinking is a super exercise. What you should do is, again, as you're sitting in a comfortable position the way you want, open your eyes and start blinking 10 to 15 times very quickly like this. Right? Then after that, close your eyes and relax and take long deep breaths 3 to 4 times. After that, again slowly open your eyes and repeat this exercise once again like this, continuously 10 to 15 times, very fast. So repeat this 5 times. Okay, so blinking, as I told you, is a wonderful exercise. We don't even realize that blinking is also a power yoga. Can it really help to improve our eyesight? Can it really help to, pause our eyesight from getting worse? Yes, it can. Please do, and then you will realize. Well, hope you all watched everything and took it seriously. Let us become the responsible parents and take all the needed precautions. See, I can understand during this COVID-19, we all are locked down. Children are getting really agitated as they have nothing to do. So they are attracted more towards gadgets, TV, games, and anyway, they are spending a lot of time on laptops also during the classes. So we have to support them. We have to really make them understand so that they also feel the importance of their eyesight. Other than this, I will tell you all the power yoga for eyes, as mentioned earlier, that eye movements and focus movements and lot many things. I will also tell you what kind of a food that will enhance the eyesight of your children, what eye relaxing techniques, what are the Ayurvedic home care packs that your children should use, and many other amazing stuffs in my next videos. Till then, please start implementing these immediately and take care of your children. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it immediately and press the bell icon so that you get all the videos timely. Namaste and be blessed by the divine power.